These one. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Love County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Carter County in southern Oklahoma, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Robotom, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ardmore, Marietta, Leon, Overbrook, Robotom, Lake Murray, Burneville, and Courtney. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 7 and 28. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.